Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to introducing you a project that has helped over 1.5 million people to start online business completely hassle-free. It's called Sellvia. Sellvia, if you have ever wanted to launch an online store but felt overwhelmed, this is your perfect starting project point. Salvia handles the everything from the store setup fulfillment so you can focus on growing your income even if you have zero experience. You could also start with that, and you can also get here focus on your growing with better experience. This is first step toward your financial independence. I am going to show you how exactly this is working. If you are new on the channel crypto boomer, you can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. So let's get started with the Salvia official. Means here you can also create your own store to list product. You can also start your new epic journey. Here you can get some special offer by Salvia that is also about the store, and Amazon business as a bonus will give you welcome with $40 add credit too. Mean you can also promote your own business. So here actually there is also, like, if you have electric car, the price your profit will be this. Your my total sale is also here. So in this way you can also open it. There you can also get here grab your store free without spending a single penny. Amazon business as a bonus, and there are 4 days limited. So be ready to join. Here already they have helped 1.5 million people achieve their financial independence. There you can also get the reviews as well. Next, you can also check how you will also be a part of it. Subscribe to the Salvia Pro, fill out this survey, and get ready to a store. Activate your store. I am also going to show you this step one by one. So this is the next best journey for you. If you have e-commerce experience or not, this is also going to giving you a learning experience as well with best product and brands. They're launching like quickly. Your product template are also given, no more wasting of time or research development. Everything will be done by their project and platform automatically. They are also going to accept online payment as well. You can easily manage your platform in a easy step. There are some template, like if you have a car showroom, you want to sell out your car accessories, then there is a store. What a business you can get in just $39 per month. Therefore 14 days trial also have been available. Their revenue, like per month, their $5,023,000 already they are gaining. You can even check there how much people are visiting the store. Different types with niche are also here. Gardening, there is also classic store, there is baby store where baby product are also listed. You can also check here what type of product you want, like fashion, gadget, pet. There is kid, baby, sport, everything about in this world. You can make a store on it. Your business will start. In this way you can also check out how actually you're going to control your business effortlessly and enjoying the convenience of Salvia. And yes, there is also logistic get for free now your store. They are going to helping to manage your business through Salvia platform with free technical support 24/7, free marketing support $40 per ad. There is also automation tools. So these are also available in the tutorials as well. If you want to get a store, then time is limited. This video is for educational purpose content. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research before making any move. Here you can also check recently award and recognition. About that is about our digital reward platinum winner com.com. This is also platinum. There is also Hermes and many other. You can even get some information about why so many people choose Salvia, because this is a free of cost making store platform. People already making their ambition. You can even check out their reviews as well. It's not just about money for me, it's about lifestyle. You are going to making your own life. Next, you can also check there are a lot of people who have made their life more easy in a new style, running This store is relatively easy. With the Sellvia plugin, I can add new product very easy. There are team members too who are going to helping you. 24/7 team is supporting you. Where personal manager needs research, zero work from you, and yes, there is full independence. Lifetime support will be given. Ready to start your business? How actually you will start with these personal assistant support to business owners. So be ready. Their award winning team are also here. If you want to join, you how actually this is going to work now. I am going to show you. You can easily come on the site. There is start for free. You can click on this. So if you want to go ahead, when you will click on start for free today, then you will also put your email like this interface where you are going to create account, and then you can also click on the next continue option. These are two steps. First, give your email, your number, and then you will proceed to the next to go for pro version. And yes, there are also already people join near to 5 lakh plus entrepreneurs who sell via usage and starting online store. This is also 100% no risk free trial. There you can also get pay for nothing. There you can easily join like pay nothing for first 14 days. Cancel anytime, hassle free 24 sport. There you can put your like card or GPay. You can also go for ahead to get all these options that I have shown you. Sellvia is going to offering you to build your own store with the best experience level, and yes, this is available to you. How actually this is working. So be ready to join, and you can also be one of the member who will know all my channels too. I hope you understand everything about how get started, how you will be a member on the Salvia to list and making product that are worth and people will interested, they will visit it. You will also enjoy. If you have any question on the interface of Salvia, this is my store interface. As you can also check out that there you can make your online store and you can list product in a free of cost, and you can also check my dashboard some details about the sales what I have done, and it has been boosted to 55% in the previous according to the data. And there you can also check what is electric car, what is more profit. You can also check if you are going to come on the Salvia through my link I have provided in video description. You can check out. You will be given $100 as a bonus too. So you can also start your business, and you can also make your future now, as this is also free. And I have already given you some details about it too. You can be ready. You can also show your skill, your credibility, and your efforts to make it on the top. And I hope you understand everything about it. So you can also check. There is also the Salvia project has already helped 1.5 million people. So here I have shown you my record too on my store. I have already given you report analysis as well. So you can also join there. You can also see on my page what is my store boost and my performance on my store. You can easily check out the store opening interface. That is also very simple. Subscribe to Salvia Pro and get ready to make store and activate. You can also start your selling and getting your profit for this platform. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next year. Till then, take care and goodbye.